Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Please give it for Dolly G.
Thank you.
Hi everyone. Hi Chennai. This sounds better. If you really want to learn, there are a lot of ways. But we only focus on excuses. I needed your support back then, 20 years back, when I genuinely needed these words. Tab, not only the male members of the society, but also the female members of the society gave a tough time.
How do you come up with these new ideas and innovations? Like, what inspires you? What inspires Dolly G?
See, the designers keep making different fabrics every single day. The lady has different mindset, different silhouettes, different gentry that she's moving in, and then she wants to look a certain way. Every time to give her that drape, I need to work hard. The brides on their cocktail and on their bachelors, instead of wearing dresses and gowns has to gone. The embroidered 90s are no more in our wardrobes. Eventually, they've understood what is going to make them look the sexiest is the sari. So why invest in a outfit which eventually I don't know whether you will be able to wear it again or not. So they know that if we invest in a good sari, we will be able to wear it multiple times. If you have the potential to soar high, I think you've got a lot of social media platforms where you can overnight become a star. I can be any part of the world. It is your art that's going to pull you to a certain place.
What is Dolly G Jain as a mother?
I travel almost 28 days in a month.
Wow.
Trust me. The only way I see my kids, my family is on video call. When people say, क्या life है ना डॉली की मस्त, I said, एक दिन मेरे शूज में पाँव रख के देखो, you will believe me, it's not easy. As a mother, कब वो छोटी थी और अचानक से बड़ी हो गई.
One draping mistake that you see often.
When they make their pleats, वो जो साइड से एक फॉल का हिस्सा दिख रहा होता है, that is something like मेरी शक्ल पे तो नजर बाद में जाती है. Oh God.
Kanjivaram or Banansi?
Both.
Maluni's purple sari in Ghatar or Sridevi in Kati Karte?
Shridevi.
Chinese sari looks, Rekha or Nitya
Rekha.
Lastly, if there is one woman you could drape as a tribute to strength and style, who would she be?
My mom.
When we were framing this question, we thought it would be that.
Yeah, my mom. The thing that I've started has a story behind.
Myself be a little more sexier, but because I have tummy, when I sit down, it's a very odd way.
I am fat, I am thin, I am tall, I am short. It is none of their problem. And none of our problems also. We are what we are, and we need to embrace ourselves the way we are. I mean, when I posted my videos on social media, there was a gentleman who said, ये लेडी को देखो इतने स्ट्रेच मार्क से फिर भी इंस्टाग्राम पे पूरा ब्लाउज और पेटीकोट में खड़ी है. I said, I didn't reply back to that gentleman. You guys did. You literally said that इनके पास वो स्ट्रेच मार्क्स वो गिफ्ट है जो आपको जिंदगी में कभी नहीं मिलेगा. So I think we need to start thinking, if I have fat arms and if I want to wear sleeveless, it is my choice. And I will wear what I want to. As far as I am keeping things in a decorum.
So, which do you say is actually very traditional wear for cultural sarees today?
अगर आपको कोई रिचुअल्स करने हैं तो आप साड़ी को प्लीट करके रखो. Because then every time you're handling your sari.
So now people know this is a profession and they are accepting it wholeheartedly and they are respecting us as an artist.
Great.
So thank you so much.
So what she's wearing, you all know? The D-coat. After 20 years of my experience in what I've done, I wanted to come up with one product which could make the next generation fall in love with sarees back again.
There are different dimensions in the sari.
Thank you so much. My God. Thank you.